These faceless channels are getting millions of views by creating extremely simple YouTube and TikTok shorts. They are attracting countless followers to their channels and earning thousands of dollars through TikTok and digital product sales. They use AI to create these videos, but most people don't know how to make content like this. So in this video, I'll show you the easiest way to create videos like this. We'll use 3 AI tools and CapCut to make these videos quickly. It's super easy, and after watching this video, you'll definitely want to start your own faceless channel. As you can see, there are miniature workers or chefs working on giant meals like fish, sushi, salads, and so on. And this looks really interesting and attracts a certain group of people who like this content. Now, this doesn't have to be just about food. If we look here, we can see videos showing workers working on a keyboard or something similar, but in this video, we will focus on food videos. Of course, I will also give you the prompt on how to create other videos, not just with food. And now, I'll show you a quick preview of a video we created with just a few steps. Okay, first we'll need prompts to generate the images, and for that we'll use ChatGPT. The prompt you see on the screen is already set up to give you 10 prompts to generate images. In the prompt it says that we'll use Flux AI to generate images with tiny people and giant food. Then we'll use Kling AI to turn them into moving videos that bring the scenes to life. And finally, we provide a sample. As soon as we insert this into ChatGPT, the bot will analyze the prompt and give us 10 prompts to generate images. As you can see, it gave us different food options and it did a great job. Now we'll use these prompts to generate our images in Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI is one of the best tools for image generation, and the best part is that it has the Flux model built in. After you log in, we'll click here on Image Creation, which opens this window. Then we click here where it says Model, and we select the Flux Dev model. Then, where it says Style, we select 3D Render. And here, we choose the TikTok aspect ratio. Now we just copy the prompt that the chatbot gave us, insert it here, and click Generate. In seconds, we get these amazing images. Now we just have to repeat this process with the rest of the prompts, just copying them one by one and generating our images. Now, as promised, with this prompt you see on the screen, the chatbot will prompt you to generate images of workers working on keyboards, smartwatches, giant computer mice, and so on, and you will get these images. Just to mention, you will find all prompts in the description below the video. Now let's move on to the next step. After downloading the images, we need to turn them into a video, and for that, we will need the next tool, Kling AI. Click on the link below the video to go directly to Kling AI, or search for Kling AI in your browser and click on the website to enter. After logging in, click on AI Videos. Then click on the Frames tab, and then click on the Upload option. Then select and upload the image you created with Leonardo AI. Now we will go back to ChatGPT to copy the detailed prompt that the chatbot gave us specifically for Kling AI and paste it in the prompt section. Scroll down a bit, and in the duration section, choose a duration of 5 or 10 seconds. To start the video generation process, click on Generate and wait a bit for the image to be turned into a video. And after a few minutes, here is the result of this amazing tool. Okay, now we need to merge our videos, remove the watermark, and add sound effects. So we go to the CapCut application and add all the videos we downloaded earlier. The first step is to add all the videos we generated before and change the aspect ratio to 9:16. Next, click on the crop option and adjust the frame so that the watermark is removed. Then, click on the confirm option, and now zoom in a bit on the video to make it full screen. The next step is to add transitions between the videos, and the most suitable one for these clips is the dissolve or mix transition. Just drag it between all the clips. And finally, we have to add sound effects because they will bring the video to life. So go to Pixabay or the Upbeat site and search for tools or Hammer, and you'll find thousands of sound effects like these. Now just place them where you think they fit best. Once everything is done, export the video in the highest possible quality and publish it on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. And now, let's see the final result. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like the video and don't forget to subscribe.